Hello students, welcome to the third part of direct and indirect speech. In this part, we'll be studying how to convert an imperative sentence, that is direct speech, to indirect speech. First, let's understand what is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is used to give commands or advice or asks for help. Let's understand it with examples. Please join me for the dinner tonight. Put it down. Don't eat too much. These are the examples of imperative sentence. Now let's understand the steps of converting a direct to indirect speech in case of imperative sentences. The first step is to identify. In the identification process, we need to identify first the subject, then the object, and then the reporting verb. After that, the pronoun, and lastly, the time denoting words. Now moving to next step 2, that is the change of reporting verb. In the change of reporting verb, the said or said to changes to ordered or requested or advised or suggested or forbade as per the sentence. Step 3 now is the replacement of the inverted comma with the conjunction to. Step 4 is the change of pronoun. Pronoun will change as per this chart. The first person will change as per subject, the second person will change as per object, and the third person, as it is, there will be no change. You can remember this with the acronym SON, that is sun. Now step 5 is change of words denoting time. The change of denoting time will be followed as per this workflow. Here will be changed to there, tomorrow, the next day, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, this, that, now, then, tonight will be changed to that night. Now there are some important rules in relation to conversion of an imperative sentence. Number 1 is the object will come in indirect speech after the reporting verb even if there is no object in the direct speech. So we have to try to add it in the indirect sentence as per the meaning or sense of the sentence if no object is provided. The second point is after the conjunction to, the main verb will come always in the verb's first form. Number 3, the words like please, kindly, it will be eliminated. And the fourth point, if we have the imperative sentence in negative form, then the to is converted to not to, or the reporting verb will be converted to forbade. The most important point in imperative sentences, the structure will go as subject plus the reporting verb plus the object plus the conjunction to plus the verb's first form plus the remaining parts in the reporting speech. Do remember to change the pronoun and the time denoting verbs in the reported speech. And do remember in negative forms we can use not to or forbade when it is in reporting verb. So you follow this structure, then you won't find any difficulty in converting a direct imperative sentence to indirect speech. Now let's understand all the steps with the help of examples. The teacher said to the students, complete your homework tonight. Step 1 is to identify. Here, teacher is the subject, students is the object, said to is the reporting verb. Now, step 2 is the change of reporting verb. Now here, said to will be converted to ordered as the teacher is giving order to the students. Step 3 is to replace the inverted quotation marks with to. So the sentence will go as, the teacher ordered the students to. Step 4 is the change of pronoun. Here your is in second person and the object is students. So here your will be converted to their. Step 5 is the change of words denoting time. Here tonight will be converted to that night. So now the final structure will go as subject plus the reporting verb plus object plus to plus verb's first form plus the remaining reported speech. Sentence goes as the teacher ordered the students to complete their homework that night. Children, do remember these steps, so then you won't have any problem in converting the direct sentence to indirect in imperative sentences. Now students, for the remaining examples, I'll be following this structure. If you find the steps are easy, you can go according to it. Moving to example number 2. He said to me, please help me with my homework. So the structure goes as subject plus reporting verb plus object plus to plus verb's first form plus remaining sentence in the reported speech. Now the sentence goes as he, then we use the word requested as please is given in your direct speech. Then is me, to help as help is in the verb's first form. Then we'll use the remaining sentence as him with his homework. Just notice that we have changed the first person pronoun as per the subject. And the final sentence in the indirect form is he requested me to help him with his homework. Moving now to the next example. The principal said to the teachers, kindly learn new technologies for teaching students. So the structure goes as subject plus reporting verb plus object plus to plus verb's first form plus remaining part of the reported speech. So now the subject is the principal, and as the principal is telling the teachers, so we can use the word advise in the reporting verb, the teachers as the objects. Then kindly, as per the rule, it's removed, so we use to plus the word learn, to learn, and then the remaining part of the sentence, new technologies for teaching students. And the complete sentence in indirect form is the principal advised the teachers to learn new technologies for teaching students. Now moving to the third example. The gardener said to him, don't pluck the flower. Now as we can see that the reporting speech is in negative form, so the structure will go as subject plus reporting verb plus object plus not to plus verb's first form plus remaining part of the reported speech. Now following the structure, the sentence will go as the gardener instructed him not to pluck the flower. We can write the sentence in this way also, the gardener forbade him to pluck the flower. You can notice we have used the word forbade, which means not to. So we don't have to write not before to here. Now let's move to the last example. Boss said, complete this project now. Now as per the structure, we'll go subject plus reporting verb plus object plus to plus verb's first form plus remaining part of the reported speech. The sentence goes as boss ordered him to complete the project done. Just notice we have added the object him here even though it was not provided in the direct speech. As we have learnt in the rule to add an object in the reporting verb if it's not given. And we have also converted the time denoting words as per the rules. So students, I hope now the change of imperative sentence from direct to indirect speech is clear to you. Children, will continue the third part of direct and indirect speech in the next video.